I once lost $327 without spending a single dollar. No scam, no fraud, just a bad bank account choice. Most people think picking a bank is boring, but that mistake quietly taxes you every month. So the real question is, why does almost everyone get this wrong? Failure plus tension. Let me start with a flatline moment. I was 22, first paycheck, felt rich. I opened a popular bank account because my friend said, "Bro, everyone uses this bank." 2 months later, overdraft fees, minimum balance penalties, ATM charges I didn't even notice until it was too late. Nothing dramatic happened, but my money kept shrinking. Slowly, silently, painfully. And that's the danger. Choosing the wrong bank doesn't explode your life. It leaks it. Now here's the scary part. Most students, young adults, and even professionals are still using accounts designed to extract money, not protect it. But here's where most people get it wrong. Mistakes plus escalation. Mistake number 1. All bank accounts are basically the same. Sounds logical. Same app, same debit card, same logo colors. But banks don't make money with you. They make money off you. Therefore, every account is engineered with pressure points, minimum balance traps, fee triggers, inactivity penalties, overdraft oops moments. Think of it like a gym membership. You don't pay for workouts, you pay for not noticing the rules. That fixes one misunderstanding, but creates a bigger question. How do you actually spot a bad account before it drains you? Mistake number 2. Chasing big bank equals safe bank. Big names feel secure. Tall buildings, fancy ads, legacy trust. But size doesn't equal friendliness. Big banks are like airports, efficient, powerful, and completely indifferent to individuals. Therefore, students and young adults often pay higher fees for features they never use. Meanwhile, smaller banks and online banks compete by doing the opposite. No minimum balance, no monthly fees, early direct deposit, fee-free ATMs. This sounds like the solution, but here's the catch. Not every no-fee account is actually good. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the hidden fees, the silent killers. Let me show you how banks really win. Not with obvious charges, but with rare mistakes. 1 overdraft equals $35. 2 mistakes equals $70. 1 bad week equals grocery money gone. Your brain thinks, it won't happen to me, but banks design for probability, not intention. Therefore, the best account isn't the one with no fees. It's the one that protects you when you mess up. Things to look for visually on screen. Overdraft grace zones, balance alerts, fee forgiveness policies. This is important, but the next part changes everything. Mistake number 4. Not thinking about credit, yet paying the price later. Here's a contradiction. Debit accounts feel safe because there's no debt, but debit accounts don't build credit. Therefore, 5 years later, apartment rejected, higher car insurance, bad loan rates, all because of something you didn't start early. The solution isn't debt, it's structure. The right bank account should integrate easily with a starter credit card, show credit score tracking, make payments frictionless. Now, before I show you the exact framework, if this video is saving you money already, subscribe. Not for hype, but because banks won't teach you this stuff. Alright, let's finish this properly. Transformation plus framework. Remember how I lost $327 doing nothing? Here's what I wish I knew. Use this ERCRT decision framework every time you choose a bank account. E. Expenses. Fees. Reality check. Ask one brutal question. How does this bank make money from my behavior? Look for monthly fees, minimum balance rules, overdraft penalties. If it's confusing, that's the answer. R. Risk protection. You will mess up. Everyone does. So choose accounts with overdraft buffers, auto decline protection, instant alerts. Good banks expect mistakes. Bad banks profit from them. C. Convenience, your actual life. Ignore features you won't use. Instead, ask ATM access near you, app speed, customer support response time. Convenience isn't luxury, it's damage control. R. Credit pathway. Your bank account should be a launch pad, not a dead end. Look for easy credit card upgrades, credit education tools, soft pull score tracking. T. Transfer freedom. Your money should move easily. Check. Zelle. Transfers. Money stuck is money stressed. Most people lose money slowly because nobody taught them how banks actually work. Now you know. The wrong bank leaks your future. The right one quietly builds it. I didn't lose $327 because I was bad with money. I lost it because I didn't understand the system. Now you do. How to avoid bank fees completely, even if you're broke. Watch that, because once you see it, you'll never look at banks the same way again.